So if you want to skip next installment of SIP in PhonePe application but you don't know what is the procedure, then this video is for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open PhonePe application and complete the login process. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. On homepage itself, go down and look for mutual fund. If you select mutual fund, it will showcase your portfolio. Keep one thing in mind that if you have recently started SIP, then it might take 24 to 48 hours to showcase your portfolio. So you can try it or you can check it out after 48 hours. Once your portfolio is visible, you can select that particular option, and on this particular page, you can check out how much amount you have invested and what is the profit. Now currently it is 0.84 in minus, but yeah, it might change if I wait for longer period. So you can check out basic details over here. In order to skip the next installment, you have to select My SIP option. Now in My SIP, you can check out all the SIPs. If you have invested in multiple SIPs, you can check out the list over here. You only have to select that particular SIP for which you want to skip the installment. So I have only one SIP, so I'm going to select this. And on the next page, again, you can check out basic details. You can check out the frequency, you can check out the amount. If you want to modify the details, you have modify option over here as well. When is the next SIP? It is on 5th of August 2025. Now this is July. So if I want to skip SIP for August month, I'm going to select skip next payment. So as soon as I select that, I get a pop-up screen saying that if you want to skip for 1 month, which is for August only, then you can select 1 month. But if you want to skip next 2 installment, the month will be displayed over here. Then you can go for 2-month option. Now before going ahead, keep one thing in mind that if you skip SIP for continuous 3 months, then it might cancel your SIP, but the invested amount will be as it is. So in my case, I just want to skip it for 1 month. I'm going to select skip 1 month option, and it will give you a pop-up screen saying that your SIP will resume on 5th of September. August, it will be cancelled. So if you want to confirm it, just simply tap on confirm option, and that's it. Now currently you can see skipping next SIP, which was on 5th of August 2025. So later on, if you change your mind, if you want to continue with the installment, then you can select don't skip option, but make sure you do this 1 week or 2 week before the actual date. So that's how simple it is to skip SIP installment in PhonePe app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.